Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokamori M4 Sopmod. This one's got a level 4 build and we've got the Prometheus conversion bar kit in the back here, and then in the back there's a, if I show you, it's got the 1450 nunchuck battery from Vapex Tech. So it's a standard split pack in there. You just put the cover on, and then you just put the cap over the top, and that holds it in there. And then obviously there's no wires to collapse inside, so it's obviously quite cool. So this one has got obviously an EagleSix upgrade mainspring. It's got the Psionic R kit, so the number 6 kit for the Prometheus barrel. We've combine that with the Prometheus wide bore, the Prometheus, one of the new ones, which is the normal Prometheus barrel, but they've re-released it with a new wide cut window. So we're starting to migrate over to those with slightly wider, longer patches, just to provide more lift for customers. Obviously the old barrel is still a good choice, but yeah, obviously new products, you've got to try these things out, haven't you? We've also got so we've got the Gate Titan rear wide basic. We've got the Warhead brushless motor, high speed. We've got the 6mm bearings and hard gear set. And we've also installed the hard Laylax Castle Nut, the Sling point on the back here, the ASAP style, and that's it for the build. Very similar to the previous one. I'm just going to demonstrate it working. There we go, so it's all testing and working. So let me know if you want the Laylax trigger pins installing in both, so they're not on the builds, but we can certainly do that for you. They're in stock at the moment if you want to. Yeah, other than that, I will put the description for the build in the description of the video, and yeah, any problems let us know, but hopefully everything's all good and we can get these posted out to you. Thank you.